Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. And today we're using the Pizza Party Ardore with its side gas burner. So let's go make the pizza. So I've got the Ardore on 3/4 flame. I never have it on full. So I'm ready to put it in the oven. So here we go. Just check it's not slipping. Nope. Let's get it in. So the side flame cook is a really nice way to cook pizza because you can actually see the crust being nicely cooked there rather than it being at the back. So it is a benefit, a huge benefit of using an oven with a side flame. Just feel as if you've got that much more control and sight of the pizza. So this is cooks so fast. Done. Give that bit a try. Every time I use the Ardore, it's so fast and so easy to cook with. Again, this is another oven I've never burnt pizza in because I can see it cook, and it just gives this lovely like top and side crust cook there. A really lovely base cook. Have to give that a try. So, my dough. This is a 62% hydration dough, and it's been frozen as well, and I found it really good to stretch. It didn't go wholly like my 70% dough did, hydration dough, so that didn't go wholly. It was really nice dough to stretch. I think I got it quite thin. Great cook, fantastic side gas cook with the Ardore. I just wanted to talk about the side gas element on this cooker. I think it's fantastic, and not only that, it goes nicely over the top, gives beautiful cooked crusty top as well. I like the way that the flames were kind of cooking the other side as well as cooking that, so I didn't really have to turn it as much, so I just point that out. I think the 62 is a good balance between the crunch and having leoparding, and it's still manageable to stretch. So the 62% with the Ardore it's a big thumbs up for me.